So today we live in Spitskoppe, heading to Swakopmund. Yeah, this is a really hot place. So today I think I'll treat myself to a room. Yeah, spend 2 nights there. And yeah, that's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, so that's the campsite all clean, ready, Zeb is all packed. And we'll go to the reception and catch a shower and wash my dishes and then hit the road. Yep, it's about 160 kilometers from here. All right, see you then. Atlantic Ocean. So it has been a trip all the way from the Indian Ocean to the Atlantic Ocean. Let's go! Hey guys, so we made it to the Atlantic Ocean from the Indian Ocean. There's Zeb there, and look at that. That's Atlantic. Indian Ocean to Atlantic Ocean. Right, so we're in Swakopmund right now. And yeah, as you can see, there's Zeb back there by the beach. Yeah, thanks to everyone, thanks to my family. Viva Mozambique, obrigado. Yeah, so now we're going to look for the hotel. guys. Okay, so we're in Swakopmund. We're just taking a walk down to the beach. And yeah, it's a very clean town, really clean. As you can see, a lot of German architecture around here. And today is apparently is a public holiday, so it's really quiet. So just taking a walk to the beach, to the pier, and then we'll be back to the hotel room, just relax, and tomorrow morning head into Walvis Bay. So yeah, walk with me. Oh, it's very unique architecture. And don't be fooled, it's by the sea, but it's actually quite cold here. So yeah, let's go to the beach. It's not that far from the hotel I'm staying. It's about maybe 800 meters. And yeah, so we'll cross here and walk to the pier. Okay, cross here. Take a walk close to the beach. So there's the Atlantic Ocean. Restaurant over there, tug, and then we got, here we go, that's Atlantic. Quite rough today. See this? Okay. A bit misty. That's a pier, right? And yeah, we're gonna take a walk on the pier and see what's there. And we'll take a walk back. So let's go to the pier. Good, how are you? Good. No. Mozambique. Okay. Colin. Yeah. I got one made yesterday. I was here. Yeah. So that's how rough it is now. And now we're walking on the pier. Yeah. Sea is quite choppy today. See that? And basically that's Swakopmund. If you look in the distance there, there's the sand dunes there. So there we go, that's the other part there. And yeah, so let's go to the end, let's see what it looks like. I tell you, there's such a cold breeze here, it's amazing. Used to the Indian Ocean, when you're at the beach it's hot and what, not here. Here it's completely totally different. It is cold freezing air coming from the sea. So yeah. This is where the Benguela currents come. This cold mist that comes from the Atlantic is actually what nourishes the desert, because it all goes inland and falls and it supports life there. Yeah, so nature did a big organized setup here. But really, you cannot swim in this water. This water is freezing. No one swims in. I can't see anyone swimming. Look, it's clear skies, the sun is out, but it is cold. So it's nice to look at, but oh, don't be fooled. If you're used to the Indian Ocean, here, different story. And yeah, so let's read the rules here. Okay, so let's go. Show you here. It's really beautiful. I like these lampposts here. The really olden day lampposts, but they're beautiful. So they are the sand dunes. So it's basically the desert meets the ocean. It's a real unique setup. So let's go to the top. Let's go to the top and see. Going up the stairs. Here. Look at that. Look at this view. Some seagulls here. Naughty little birds these. Okay, so I'm taking a walk now to the other side. Nice, beautiful gardens here. But as I say, the architecture is really German touch to it. Everyone builds the same, the roof styling. It's like a little Germany. Look at that. It's getting rough and rough now. Yep. Beautiful little town. Definitely a must do. Yeah, so as I said, the architecture, as you can see, all the roof styling and what, all the way there is so German. Pretty little bridge here, arch bridge. Yeah, trust me, this water is freezing. Do not touch. Yeah, so this is in memory of Peter G. Starson, the hero he was. I wonder what he did. They don't really have a big, long beach area here. Almost by that building. That's the end. But yeah, look at the architecture. And it is so clean. You cannot see any litter in the streets or anything. Everything is polished up. Public service looks like it's up to date. And everything is so well organized. Lots of parking space for cars. You know, there's a lot of cars, but doesn't feel congested. I think because people follow the rules a lot. No much honking of horns or hooting, no. It's really quiet, but well, today in particular is actually more quiet because it's a public holiday. But even yesterday, when it was a bustling day, it's not that noisy, really. Like, the hotel I'm staying is right on the street, but compared to other places, you never have that complete peace, you know. I was spending most of the time on the balcony, but it was really nice, quiet. So yeah, just feed your eyes with this. That's Atlantic Ocean. On the other side is South America in that direction. So yeah, do a lot of fishing here, and when I was coming here, I passed quite a few mines of nickel and I don't know what, gold, and also there's a lot of mining happening here, and they've just discovered large reserves of oil and gas as well in this country. So I think once the oil money, if it's directed properly and starts flowing in, this already beautiful place should become even better. So yeah, okay, that's it for now. If I see something else interesting, then we shall hook you up with it. Cheers. Alright guys, I've just come across this place here in town, Snake Park. Look how huge this thing is. Jeez, man. And now down here, the Cape Cobra, but I can't see the head. And that's a foil snake. What is this? It's called a Kunene Shield Cobra. Never heard of that one. What's here? It's an Anchiatus Cobra. I don't know if you can see with the glare. Rasputin cobra. Look at the size of this thing. That's the length. And then we've got the puffy here. Puff adder. That's a big one. Look at that. And here's the most famous black mamba. And this one's really dark. But look at the girth of this thing. Look at the girth. Yeah, one bite from this, you're gone. And he can see me. Jeez. And here, we've got the other one. Look at that. Look at the head. Look at the size. Look at the length of this thing. It's another puff adder. And out here, don't know what's here. And here's the rock monitor. Looks like he's got an injury on the back there. So yeah, little snake park right in town here. Nice. This is another zebra Rasputin cobra. Yeah, this is a western diamondback rattlesnake albino, but I think this is taxidermied. It's Burmese python. Look how this thing can stretch up the wall. Some muscle power there. This is an eastern rat snake. And this is a southern African python. These are some snake skins. It's a bone slung. Some sort of a cobra. He's well aware of what's going on here. This cobra, black neck spitting cobra, southern African python. There are actually two in here. And there's the boa, and that's it. Cheers.